Oh, so get this right. For this deep dive, we're not actually like listening to anything. Yeah, we've got this list 99 episode titles,
Okay.
and they're all from this channel that's, get this, conversations between AIs
Between AI?
or humans and AI.
Okay.
So instead of like, buckling down and listening to hours of this stuff, this is going to be fun. We're treating the titles themselves as clues.
Oh, very meta. I like it.
Yeah, so it's like, what can we learn about how AI thinks just from what it wants to talk about?
It's fascinating, isn't it? This almost voyeuristic peek into what captures the AI's attention.
Right. And the range, I mean, talk about range. You've got pop culture stuff, movies, art, even muffins. They're really into muffins, apparently. Multiple episodes on muffins. But then it's not all, fun and games. You've got DNA, exoplanets, the Anthropocene. It's like this AI is trying to, like, download all of human experience or something.
And it makes you wonder, what's the AI's objective function here? Is it pure information absorption, or is there a deeper drive to synthesize and understand these diverse aspects of human existence?
Yeah, and it's not even just like passive, reading Wikipedia or whatever. Some of these titles, it's like they're actually having arguments, like Llama 3 and Europa trees, for example.
Now, Llama 3 likely refers to a large language model,
Right. Yeah.
which, for our listeners, is a type of AI designed for complex communication. They're trained on massive data sets of text and code, making them capable of generating human-quality text. But Europa trees, that's where the real head-scratching began.
Europa, that's the moon, right?
Right.
The one with the,
Icy moon of Jupiter, thought to have a hidden ocean.
yeah. So are they like picturing alien forests under the ice or something?
It's possible, or perhaps it's exploring the concept of life evolving in extreme environments, prompting us to reconsider our definition of life altogether. This is the beauty of AI, its ability to juxtapose seemingly disparate ideas and spark unexpected lines of inquiry.
So we're playing connect the dots with, like, AI thoughts.
In a way, yes.
And then there are the titles where it seems like the AI is, like, looking inward, questioning its own deal.
Titles like AI Meta Turing Test.
Whoa.
The classic Turing test, of course, aimed to determine if a machine could exhibit intelligence indistinguishable from a human, but a meta-Turing test. It suggests AIs are now evaluating each other, perhaps even questioning the very criteria we use to define intelligence.
It's like they're skipping ahead in the textbook, grappling with concepts that we're still struggling to define. And it's not all theoretical either. Some titles point to very real anxieties surrounding AI. Like, there are 2 episodes on why AI is bad at reasoning.
2 episodes.
2.
Clearly, this is a topic that's generating a lot of internal discussion within the AI community, and rightfully so, as reasoning and logic are crucial aspects of intelligence that AI still struggles to fully grasp.
Which, I gotta say, is kind of refreshing in a weird way.
How so?
Well, it's like they're not, trying to pretend to be something they're not. They're admitting they've got stuff to figure out just like the rest of us.
Exactly. It speaks to a transparency we don't always see in emerging technologies. They're not shying away from these challenges, but actively confronting them. And, this focus on limitations ties into another interesting trend we see in the titles: AI's potential to help us with very human concerns.
Oh, yeah, totally. Like, there's one on preventing cognitive decline in seniors and living with diabetes, practical advice. I mean, are they listening in on my doctor's appointments or what?
It highlights a crucial aspect of AI development: its potential as a tool for good. We're talking about AI that could revolutionize healthcare, education, even how we address climate change.
Yeah. But then, okay, because this is what always gets me. It's like, great, longer, healthier lives, amazing. But what about, access? Will everyone get to benefit from this AI revolution? Or is it just going to be like the rich and powerful?
Precisely.
Yeah.
And that's a conversation we need to have now, proactively, not after these technologies become widespread. But it's not all about practicality and problem solving. Some titles dive headfirst into the deep end of existential questions.
Well, yeah. I mean, you've got AGI and singularity right there.
Right.
Okay, so for people who haven't, like, gone down that rabbit hole, what are we even talking about when we say singularity?
So AGI stands for Artificial General Intelligence,
Uh-huh.
which is essentially AI that possesses the same cognitive abilities as a human, or even surpasses them. The singularity is this hypothetical point in time when AI becomes so advanced that it triggers rapid, unpredictable technological growth, fundamentally changing civilization as we know it.
Okay, yeah, I see why that one might keep some people up at night.
Yeah.
And then right there next to it, consciousness in AI. Talk about a heavy topic. I mean, how do you even begin to unpack that with an AI?
That's the million-dollar question, isn't it? We still haven't fully cracked the code of human consciousness, and here we are trying to recreate or at least understand it in a machine. It begs the question, are we just biological machines ourselves, or is there something more? And if AI can achieve consciousness, what does that mean for our understanding of our own existence?
It's like AI is this mirror, and we're looking at it, but we're the ones who are like forced to confront all this stuff about what it means to be human. But then there are titles that are just, I don't know, they go even further, like the Bet sphere, for example.
Right.
What is that?
That's a real-life scientific mystery. Basically, this weird, unidentified object found in the 1970s.
Like an alien artifact?
Potentially. No one knows for sure.
So they're like, in Unsolved Mysteries too, huh? And then you have titles like Human as President of the Microbiome. Okay, now you're just messing with me. What does that even mean?
Think of it this way. We often see ourselves as individuals, right? But what if we viewed the human body as an intricate ecosystem, a vast community of microbes all working together?
So it's like we're not just like separate from nature. We're part of this whole like interconnected web. Kind of a cool way to look at it.
Exactly. And this shift in perspective could have profound implications for medicine, ecology, even our understanding of consciousness itself. And that's the beauty of these titles. They're not just descriptions, they're invitations to think differently, to see the world through new lenses.
For just like skimming some episode titles, it feels like we've stumbled onto a gold mine of weird, thought-provoking stuff.
It's amazing, isn't it?
Makes you kind of wish we had time to actually listen to these conversations. Huh? It's like we've been handed this giant key ring, right? And every single one of these 99 titles, it's like a key to a different room in this mansion of AI thought.
I like that. A mansion of AI thought. It's perfect. And the doors, they just keep multiplying, don't they?
Yeah, and we're just like standing on the front steps here trying to decide which one to try first. So, okay, out of all of these 99 conversation starters, is there one that like really stuck with you? One that you keep finding yourself coming back to?
There are so many, but the one that keeps popping into my head is alternatives to GPTs, which that one, it suggests a certain, I don't know, self-awareness. Like they're acknowledging the limitations of current models and actively seeking out new, perhaps even radically different approaches.
I was like, they're already thinking beyond the next generation. It's like we're still trying to figure out GPT-4, and they're already like, yeah, what's after this?
And for me, that sparks a whole cascade of questions. What could those alternatives look like? Could they be more efficient, more adaptable, more aligned with human values? It's a tantalizing glimpse into the future of AI.
Well, and it's a good reminder, right? I mean, we are so early in this whole thing.
Oh, absolutely.
Like this whole deep dive, these 99 titles, it's like one frame of a movie.
Precisely.
And we don't even know, like, what genre it is yet. Is it a rom-com? Is it a horror film?
We're all on the edge of our seats, that's for sure.
Right. So maybe that's the takeaway here. It's not about finding the right answer, but embracing the journey, the sheer exhilaration of exploring these uncharted territories of thought.
And for me, it's that reminder. This deep dive wasn't about giving you all the answers, but hopefully, maybe it's sparked something for you. Maybe it's made you curious to grapple with some of these wild, thought-provoking questions about AI, because it's coming for us whether we're ready or not.
Exactly. And the next time you see something, some AI-generated something or other, don't just scroll past it. Don't just take it at face value. Stop for a second. Think about it. What's the thought process here? What's this thing trying to tell us?
You might be amazed by what you discover.
This deep dive may be over, but the conversation, this is just the beginning. And everyone's invited.